Hi everyone, I am going to show you how I made this crushed glass piece right here. It's really easy. I used a table tennis ball from Dollar Tree. There's 6 in a pack, it's a really good deal. I used Mod Podge. This is a glossy kind. And then crushed glass. I got this from Michael's. And I'm going to finish this one up. So what I did is I start with a generous amount of Mod Podge. The glass will fall off a lot, so I could be using a bigger bowl of this too. I'm just going to start with a small, fairly small layer. And I make sure there's some of the mirror pieces like this, so you can see a lot of the lovely mirror shine. I make sure to press it in. It will fall out, and it took several coats of this Mod Podge to get it to stay. It really, yeah, it falls a lot. So I will have to do another coat on this of Mod Podge and perhaps more glass because I may lose more pieces. So that's it for this video.